Welcome back to another episode of Late Night Auto Mods. This is Jordan into Drift Prince here for... Dude, what the hell happened in 2018? Let's not even go there.
Yeah, 2018 was a bad year.
It was bad. We all went through some stuff. We got new cars for you on the channel. Stay tuned. We have 2 new vehicles that you're gonna love. But the main focus of this evening's stuff is the Mustang Drift Prince. Let's go over with these people what's going on with the Mustang. What are we doing tonight, and just what are your future plans for this car?
We're gonna put a seat in it tonight because stock Mustang seats are horrendous. We were supposed to do a whole bunch of stuff this year, 2018, but we couldn't get the car legal until like way too late in the season, and it took too long to get it track ready. But
you got the foam in there. He's got the foam going. He's got the foam cannon. He's got his drift stick magic going on in there. He's got a crazy... We're gonna have to talk about that setup soon, because I fell in love with it the minute I saw that shiny goodness.
Yeah. I mean, Chrome really, just does it for me. But we did BC Racing coilovers on it. It has a stock rear end in it. It's welded. We got a Willwood master cylinder on the eBay hydro, and we got an NRG seat and a whole bunch of other stuff that makes this really slow, crappy drift car. It's good.
Let's install this seat. GDM. He's making a grand entrance. Here it is, the hammer boy. As you can see, the perfect fitment on the seat right now. We're ready to go. We're ready to drift around that corner. That first stop sign, it's coming out of the ground. Just give yourself a little bit more spare time whenever you're installing anything on your car, kids, please. Like, multiply it by 3 or 4. That's more realistic. And that's how easy it is. 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 hours later, but we got it fitting a lot better. Tell them if they're gonna buy aftermarket seats, what do they need to look out for?
Just be prepared for things not to ever work. Yeah.
Get it done, work for it, sweat, whatever you gotta do to take it out on that seat. Just don't throw it across the lawn like Drift Prince used to do. Oh man, I gotta say that's one good looking spoiler.